Tell me. Tell me that you are also angry with me. Do you also think I am responsible for Mohan's wants? The way Grandma scolded me? Aren't you here to scold me too?
Oh, no, Gungun. Why would I scold you? You are not at fault. You aren't to blame. You didn't even know all this would happen. But I felt bad. Once again, you hurt your dad. You know he loves you so much, Gungun. But you keep running away from him.
Radha? Will you leave Gungun and me alone for a while? I need to speak to her.
But Sister Damini, I was...
Please, Radha.
I was just telling Gungun that how much her dad loved her.
I can also tell her that. She's my daughter too. Then may I speak to her, please?
Yes.
What are you up to, Damini? Why did you come here? I don't know what Damini is up to now. But she'll certainly do something.
Don't be scared. I'm not here to scold you. In fact, you did very well today. Continue being naughty and rude so that one day everyone gets angry with you, even Mohan. Then no one will care about the fact that you don't want that Mohan and me to get married. And we will get married. And I will become your mom. Understand this, Gungun. You have to live with me in this very house. It's like a prison. If you behave yourself, it will be good for you. And if you don't, you will have to live with this jailer.
Stay away from my daughter, okay? Damini, you don't have to make her a part of your dirty games.
At least until you turn 18 years old. After that, you may run away wherever you want. It will make no difference to me. If anything happens to me, then everyone will blame you for it, okay?
Don't you have any shame, Damini? You are playing mind games with a small child. But try all you want to. But I will never let you become Gungun's mother. Never!
One moment. So first you saved Radha from the goons.
Yes.
Then you got hurt.
Yes.
And then Radha got you home on the cycle rickshaw. In the past, she saved Gungun from her uncle, right?
Yes.
This girl is just amazing. She doesn't come across like that, but she's very courageous.
That's true.
What's this?
They belong to Radha.
So why were they in your pocket?
Actually, when the goons were taking her away,
Yes.
she left behind a trail. Because of it, I was able to reach there.
Wow. She's not just courageous, but also intelligent.
No, man, she's a dimwit. I mean, she is accident prone, truly, and not intelligent.
But ideally, Damini's earring should have been found in your pocket. But we found Radha's.
What?
Just kidding, buddy. By the way, the girl is quite brave, right? Tell me, Mohan, have you said thank you to her or not? Why? The Mohan Trivedi I knew always appreciated the good work of others. People are right when they say that you have changed.
And Grandma, when the goons took out a knife to stab Mohan, I got petrified.
Mohan is fit and strong. He can take care of himself. You just come back.
No, Grandma. He looks fit and strong. But from the inside... Grandma, today I saw the other side of Mohan. For the first time,
What?
I saw agony in his eyes. I saw a father weakened by the hate of his daughter for him.
Radha, just come back. The family is filled with shrewd people. Both adults and children are like that. Just come back.
Grandma, I thought about coming back. But I can't come back now. The distance between Mohan and Gungun... Mohan won't be happy until that distance fades. I can come back only after he is happy.
Radha, it's not your job to think about Mohan's happiness. He's the father of a child. He can take care of himself.
You are right, Grandma. I saw a defeated father at night who was longing for his daughter's love. How can I turn my back on his troubles, Grandma? And I told you, right, that I owed him. I can't return before repaying his favor. Grandma, please wait. I think there is someone. Mohan? Mohan?
If you want to break something, then break the bond that is budding between Radha and Mohan.
Have you lost your mind? If not for Damini, I would have lost Gungun forever.
If I want, I can throw your moms out of this house, get it?
Don't even touch my mother's photo!
How can you agree to send Gungun to boarding school?